Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 79 of building the Back to the Future Delorean. This is a sort of repeat of a couple of episodes back, but on the other side. And a quick build of putting the vent onto the rear panel. And then next time we'll be fitting the panel like we did last time. So this is the lull, the eye of the storm in between the two fairly major build sections. So that's all we're going to be doing on that. So let's see what else we're talking about. The end of the line, stunt work, miniatures. Yeah, all good stuff with the train. Lots of stuff with the train. Oh, look, it's not that miniature. Is that 1/8? It's not. It's bigger than 1/8 scale. But gonna look a bit like that. The one that we're building now. Look. It's not gonna look quite like that, but yeah. So that's that. Dub Taylor. I remember him from it. I don't know. I couldn't tell you exactly what it was, but just in the saloon. Okay, right, there you go. So next issue, brackets, much the same. Well, pretty much exactly the same as last time, but on the other side. So let's get straight to it. Absolutely not rocket science, this one. This is the other side. Obviously, we've done one side. Doing a second side. The vent pops in just like it did on the first side, and we've got a couple of AP screws to hold it in place. Let's grab them out, that out as well, and then put that back. Here we go. So yeah, screwdriver, screw. These are going to go in again, sort of from above. That's the way that they've made it. I didn't have this trouble with the first one, did I? In there, that one and the other one, and then that is another episode, another issue completed. The next one, as I say, is going to be a little bit more in depth, a little bit more stuff to do while we put the other bit on and the brackets that go around there, just like last time, and then fit this into the car itself. So that will be soon. There'll be another part work in between that and this and that, no doubt. Stick around and I shall see you for that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.